Hi, my name is Dave from Koopman Lumber Grafton Store, and we're here today for another tip in two. Today we're going to be talking about a lawn dethatcher, or power rake as some people call it. And what the power rake does is it will go over your grass and it will rake up or loosen up any old grass clippings or thatch which has accumulated down next to the soil. When it pulls up that thatch, it will expose the soil and be able to allow the lawn to take in nutrition and moisture, and it helps the grass from being crowded out with dead debris that's left behind, making a more healthy lawn. Okay, the first step in using the power rake or dethatcher is how to start the machine. You want to turn on the kill switch, so that's in the on position. You want to turn on the fuel, turn on the choke, turn the throttle to full, and then start the machine. Okay, for operation of the power rake or the dethatcher, this is the depth setting. To adjust it to a lower setting, you just move the lever off and go down to the next hole. Once you get your depth setting correct, you pull up on this lever, that engages the rake underneath, and you stop pushing the machine. Just to show you what happens underneath the machine, underneath here, these tines are what spin and do the raking. And that's what brings up the dead grass and the thatch to the surface so that you can rake it off. Okay, one of the things you want to be really aware of with this machine is the depth setting. You want to set it so that the rake, the power rake underneath, is just touching the top of the soil so that that pulls up the dead grass and the thatch. You don't want to set the machine too low. If you set the machine so it's going below the soil level, that can actually start to do a lot of damage, collateral damage to the existing grass. So you want to just move it down one setting at a time and then test and see how deep it's going. Push it a few feet and then check it out. Okay, another couple of tips regarding the power rake or the dethatcher is allow enough time after you're done to rake your grass, because this will produce or bring to the surface a lot of the dead grass or the dead thatch, and it does need to be raked off, so just allow time for that. Secondly, if your lawn has any slope to it, go across the slope. It's easier to push a machine than having to push a machine up and down the slope. This has been another tip in two from Koopman Lumber Rental, and these machines are available at both our Uxbridge and Grafton store. If you have any questions, please feel free to stop in or give us a call. I'll be happy to help you out.